This is the Yealink MeetingBoard 65. I'm Spencer with Vivo. Let's check it out. This is an all-in-one video conferencing device with a built-in screen. It's a touch monitor, camera, mics, and speakers. We've got this device set up on a cart. And so this is a great solution if you want mobility. One thing to note is that the cart does not come with the meeting board. You'll have to purchase that separately. It's also perfect if you want to mount it on a wall for a small and medium conference room. We have our MeetingBoard 65 set up in Zoom mode. You can see here's all of the functions that I would need to share content, to join a meeting. You can do wireless screen sharing. So here I've connected into a Zoom meeting from my phone, and we can annotate from my phone. But it looks really nice. It's got two nicely distinct legs. They connect directly into the board itself, as well as a panel that will go on the back that will help secure the device to the cart. It's got these handles on the side so you can wheel it in and out. Our device is connected to Wi-Fi, so as long as you're connected to power, you can move this thing around without having to turn it on and off. On the device itself, you can see that we have these different buttons here. This is for NFC, volume, up, down. This one here supports other inputs, so if we had a laptop connected, we could push this input button and go into another input. A home button, and down there is a sensor. A nice little feature of this device is that the privacy shutter will stay closed until you start your meeting. Another nice feature of the MeetingBoard 65 is you have LED indicators. So right now we're in a meeting and our microphones are unmuted. If I come here and mute, you'll see that they'll go red. Another great feature about the Yealink MeetingBoards is that you can actually pair wireless microphones that Yealink has as an accessory. And if you were to mute one of those microphones, the LED indicators will also go red. Although the camera built into this device is very good, additionally, up top, they have another input that'll be used for another camera that they have that's a PTZ camera. So this will give you additional range. So if you couple that camera with maybe the mic pods, the wireless mic pods, now this device that might have traditionally been built for a small medium space can actually go into a big space. You've got lots of ports on this device. You've got HDMI out, 2 USB ports, RCA connections, and an Ethernet connection. On the other side of the board, you'll find a slot for an OPS. If maybe your organization won't want you to use Android, you could use a Windows machine instead. Like I said, the device supports touch. It's great for when you want to annotate, draw, collaborate. And the pen is very nifty. On one side, you have the marker. On the other side, an eraser. It's really convenient. I don't know if you notice on the side, the settings were actually changing. I can, of course, use my finger, but as you can see, it's going to require a little bit more work. Like, for example, if I want to draw, I have to select what I want, and then I might, let's say, annotate. And then if I want to erase it, I can't just erase it. I have to select the eraser. Again, this makes the pen really useful, right? Because now, again, I can draw and then flip it over and erase. This whiteboard is allowing for multiple collaborators at the same time. We're in a Zoom whiteboard. And so you can see Natalie collaborating. And let's say I also want to be participating. I might select a different color just so we can keep our lines, annotations, comments separately from one another. One of the typical use cases for a device like this is a remote participant can share her screen, and then you, of course, can participate in the collaboration. To learn more or buy this device, check out the link in the description of the video. And for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.